Hi everybody, Mark Wild, CEO Crossrail here. I'm delighted to give you an update on the opening of the Elizabeth line at the start of 2022. The year, of course, where we will open the Elizabeth line. I'm here at the heart of London's bustling West End at the intersection of Dean Street and Oxford Street, where we have our new Tottenham Court Road station. And you certainly feel here the importance of the Elizabeth line to the city and of course to the UK as a whole. All of this extensive development around me is related to the oversight development, the property that we are building on top of Tottenham Court Road station. And that's very typical throughout the whole of the Elizabeth line, how we've utilised space in and around and above our stations to make the best use for our customers, retailers, travellers and business people. We've had a busy festive period. As everybody knows who's watched this carefully, we completed many hundreds of thousands of trial running miles last year to shake out all of the bugs, bring the systems up to revenue quality, and over the festive period, all of our major systems, the train, the signalling system, the platform screen doors, the tunnel ventilation system, and the communication systems all got an upgrade, and we are virtually now at the quality that will be needed to support revenue service in the first half of this year. And of course, it comes at a time where we are deep now into trial operations, the final trial phase before we get into revenue and passenger service. We are about halfway through trial operations. We've done about 70 or 80 of the 150, 160 tasks that we need to do, and it's going well. We've learned a lot as our new operations and maintenance teams gets to grips with this immense complex system that we've built. I'm really pleased with how we've done, but the next test for us is to get into what we term mass volunteer exercises. So throughout February and into March, we will have several exercises where we get between 1,000 and 2,000 people to really test the quality of this railway and of course make sure our maintenance and operations staff can cope with the very, very large passenger volumes that we expect when we open the Elizabeth line. Throughout trial operations, we are running 12 trains an hour between Paddington and Abbey Wood, east to west and west to east. Now that's important because that'll be our opening configuration when we start services on day one. In other news, as I record this, Canary Wharf will become the 9th of 10 stations that will be handed over to TfL. I'm really pleased to get the stations into that configuration. Of course, Bond Street has been decoupled from the opening of the railway. The Bond Street team are doing exceptionally well and are catching up fast on the opening of the railway. And that really brings us to a configuration of stations that will be enough to support revenue service. I'm sure the question that'll be on everybody's mind is, when will the Elizabeth line actually open? Well, I can be absolutely sure and certain that the Elizabeth line will open in the first half of this year. As to the precise date, well, as you would expect, after so much effort, energy and money to get to this point, when we open, we want this to be super reliable. So when we complete trial operations in the next couple of months, we will then have a period where we make sure the railway is absolutely ready for our customers, and there'll be further updates on that in due course. I know how much London needs this railway, and you can be absolutely assured we are in the home straight now and we are very close to opening the Elizabeth line. Thank you very much.